Coming, engine light and all. One more. There it is. Woo! 274. I love this truck. Oh shit, it's breaking down. This here one of them old sumbitches. Holy hell, I ain't seen an analog dial like that in a while. Well, locked and loaded, we are on our way down to DFR. We got the trailer hooked up. We obviously are bringing the four-wheeler, and we are headed down to load up Andy's Trans Am. We're not going to take the vet this time, but we're going to let Andy have some fun. And since his truck's down, we'll trailer his car down and he'll be good to go. So getting fueled up here, and Andy, I will see you soon, buddy. It's an early one, that's for certain. I think it's like 8:30 right now in the morning. I've been going since 5, so plug and chuck. What's up, Andy?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Living the dream. Living the dream, dreaming the living. We ready to get your car on the trailer? I got the fastest thing that this trailer is gonna see already on it. It ain't gonna see nothing faster this weekend.
Is that you putting that in the back too?
No, it's gonna stay there. We'll be fine. Andy's so negative lately. I don't like it.
This is like a 15-foot car trailer.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, Andy. Andy's literally been talking crap.
Listen, I've never seen such a small trailer in my life.
Andy's been talking such small crap.
I have, dude. I'm sorry.
This entire trip. Oh, we're already at 14 feet, Andy.
You do realize
15 feet 1 inch.
it's a 15-foot fucking trailer.
You'll be fine.
This is scary.
You'll be fine. I've had smaller on bigger.
Hey, you know what?
Or bigger on smaller.
Let the bitch fall off. It's your insurance.
I'm not scared of a good time. Well, we got to get the quad in the back, and then we'll get that pile of shit fired up.
It's just a matter of putting my big car in the small trailer. And
unbelievable. Let's do this. You guys already know what time it is. Knivesdeal.com for 10% off. Use promo code SendItSteve, all one word. Well, wow. You hit your belly.
Am I good back here?
No, you still gotta come forward.
What's up?
You gotta come forward.
I knew that.
Not far, you just gotta go.
No, I'm gonna have to go back again.
Why? Hold
This
on.
thing's a pain in the ass to load up, dude. Oh, there you go. That works too.
You just gotta be smarter than.
It's a motherfucker.
Back up just a smidge. You came in a little hot. Andy came in a little hot. Roll back just a tad. Yeah, that thing's soft, so it just, that's good. Well, we are loaded up. Let's get her strapped down, and we're gonna toss that there because I don't trust the Z-brake. You're good. I'm gonna pop that off, but you're good. Open it. You got like an inch. Well, let's get her strapped down. Piece of shit. Are you ready yet, Andy?
Mom, calm down.
Gosh. Well, we got the old shit box here loaded up, and we're ready to rock and roll. We got the quad in the back of the truck. I'm fueled up, and probably the only thing we're gonna do is stop and check air on the tires. This side looks a tad low. Not a big safety concern or anything, but doesn't hurt to spend 5 minutes checking before a long road trip. So we're locked and loaded. God, that thing is ugly. Drop a comment down below. You think this thing is ugly? You should buy a Corvette. Something cool. What a bucket. F450 looking clean. Looking fresh to death. Ready to rock, ready to roll. Let's get the trip started. Super clean F350. The old OBS. Good for you. Whoever you are, if you watch the channel, you got a pretty clean OBS there.
AC.
With air conditioning. We'll talk about that later. But we are actually sitting
I have no hat on
in traffic. I don't either. I got a freaking beater on. Like,
I got my arms rolled up so people can identify me by my tattoos now.
I turned my GPS off. We've been sitting in this for an hour now. But
how much longer do we got?
it went down 20 minutes, so they must be cleaning it up.
They must be getting it all cleaned up.
Y'all headed to the summer duck?
The what?
Summer duck thing?
Now we're going to July in North Carolina. We're going down there for an event.
Ah,
Yeah.
good luck, man.
Thank you. If we ever get there, of course.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Ridiculous, man.
It is. I guess there's an
Definitely.
accident or something.
Gotta be.
Yeah.
Gotta be. Alright, this is a little extreme, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, look at the... Ow!
Dude, what are you doing?
Ow.
Close your window!
I'm getting hit by hail.
This is stupid.
This is insane. Like, my wipers are going nuts and I can't see nothing. Wow. I feel like I'm just gonna run something over at this point.
Yeah, run into somebody, one or the other, buddy.
Well, safe travels. Well, that guy definitely didn't see where he was going.
Is he okay?
Oh man, that is bad.
Anybody in it? Yeah, they're on the phone.
That's bad.
Status update. I'm gonna be wrecked.
Status update, dodge that bullet.
Yeah.
Keep plugging and chugging. Well, of course, 97 degrees. It's freaking hot. The F450 is doing great except for one little failure. We're gonna go in here and get parts and we're gonna fix it. Stay tuned, guys. All right, well, they did not have the parts in stock. He told me he would order them and they would be in at 2:30. So we're heading back to the parts store now and all right, I'm not sure how well you guys will be able to see up there, but trying to get it for you to see. The tensioner is literally apart from where it needs to be. The pulley is just gone, no bearing left. Let's get her swapped out. All right, so I took the inner wheel liner off because it's just so much easier to get to the tensioner right there. And we're gonna plug and chug and get this AC fixed. It is hot down here. I think it was 98 degrees when we got where we're at. All right, well, as you can tell, the tensioner bolts right in there, and then behind it up a little bit is where the other one goes. So that's your first tensioner, and that's actually for your serpentine belt. And then we have the culprit here. Ouch. You can tell the belt must have locked tighter. This must have locked up the bearing, and she definitely shredded the belt. Easy job, easy peasy. I gotta thank John for letting me use the shop here. Ben's over here working. We're gonna do a garage tour, so just stand by the end of the video. But huge thanks for John for letting me do this here so that we can have AC and I don't have a heat stroke. So as you can tell, it definitely was underwater when we went in that flood. So I'm gonna call this flood damage. So let's keep plugging and chugging, get the new one and get it tossed in. I'm hoping you got the stuff. Do you have the stuff?
I got your stuff.
Thanks to the guys here at Advanced Auto. We're gonna have AC, bud. Let's do this. All right, now that we're back from getting the new parts, let's get her all torn apart and tossed in. So there you can tell the new belt. O Canada is the manufacturer of the new tensioner. Comes with a new bolt. Let's get her tossed back in. Oh yes, I wish you guys could feel this. I'm sure you can. 97 degrees, but man, we have air conditioning. Hey John, thanks for everything. I'm out of here. Back to PA.
Hey, let's go.
We have AC.
Oh, goddamn.
Oh.
The Lord. The Lord. Let's go get some food, man.
All right.
Let's go grab some food.
Deal. All right, guys. I'm gonna put some footage in from somewhere else during the trip, but stand by. Hey guys, well, we have made it to the hotel. The truck is working, we have air conditioning, and I couldn't be any more excited. So, it wasn't anything major. I definitely dodged a big bullet. This truck is running amazing. I do have a lot of fun with it. And well guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. RJ, that's RJ. That's the owner of RJ, guys.
I saw the tape in the wrap. I was like, yeah, that's definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It don't get much more American than this.
Out of the less nasty camp, gonna be Brown Sugar. No time.